Good morning, dear students. We begin with Standard 6 English, Unit 4 poem, Beauty. What is beauty? Try to describe what beauty is, or list some of the things or persons you think are beautiful. So, what is beauty? When we find something good looking or nice, we say it is beautiful or it is a type of a beauty. But now, beauty cannot be described only for some good looking. Beauty can be in some deeds, in your character, the way the person is. A person can be beautiful in that way also. So, when we read this poem, we will find that where all we can see that beauty is. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So, where all can we find beauty? Beauty is seen in the sunlight. The morning rays of the sun are very beautiful because the way it falls on the earth, we receive vitamin D, and we say that they are the beautiful rays of the sun. Beauty can be seen in different types of trees, in birds when they are singing, when they are making beautiful melodious songs, the birds when they sing, the corn growing in the fields, and the people who are working and dancing during the harvest season. Now, what is that harvest season? When their crops are ready and they are ready to cut them. The farmers are very happy, and that happiness of their crop growing successfully is a time of beauty. You can see that beauty in them. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Now, in the night, the beauty can be heard. How can the beauty be heard in the night, in the dark? When the wind is blowing, the sound of the wind, here it is described as sighing. Sighing means a deep breath and the way the wind blows. The rain falling, sometimes in the night when the rain falls and it is silent in the night, you can hear each drop falling on the roof and the sound of that rain. It is really very beautiful to hear. Or a singer, sometimes in the night, certain singers, they sit when they are free and they are chanting anything that they like very seriously, and they are singing, so their sound can be heard in the dark when it is silent in the night. Now, chanting means to repeat certain phrases or the song words which he loves to sing. So all this sound is very beautiful, heard in the night. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. Beauty lies in every person. It is in ourself, it is in yourself. How is that beauty? It is due to good deeds and our happy thoughts, which are always positive. If we think everything positively, those positive thoughts will keep on repeating in our deeds, in whatever work we do, whether we are resting or whether we are doing anything. But only if we think positively, we will become beautiful. Not externally, but also internally, we will become beautiful. Now, we human beings are always looking for good and beautiful things. Wherever we see something nice, we say it's beautiful. But if a person is looking beautiful, it is not necessary that that person is beautiful. We have to see what type of a person he or she is. Internally, the qualities of that person show whether he or she is beautiful. This poem is written by E.A. Shore. So here's one question. The poet says, beauty is heard in. Can you hear beauty? Yes, we can hear beauty. Add a sound that you think is beautiful to the sounds the poet thinks are beautiful. So, whatever sounds that you feel are beautiful, we have to mention here. So, what type of a sound? The rustling of the leaves, sometimes when it is blowing, and the leaves, when they are flying from one place to the other, the dry leaves, they make a certain sound, or the singing of the birds. All these sounds are beautiful. The poet Keats said, heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. What do you think this means? Have you ever heard a song in your head long after the song was sung or played? So now let us write this answer. So the answer is, we find the melodious notes of the cuckoo or the nightingale very pleasing to the ears. But that pleasure is still incomplete. We have models of perfect beauty in our imagination, and we wait anxiously to hear our beloved's voice and the chanting of prayers in holy places. We all look for perfection. Nobody sees beauty in good deeds, heroic actions, sweet voice, and in nature. So, this is actually what the poet Keats wants to say in those two lines. Heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. So, this is the meaning. The answer is the meaning that we only find the sound which we are hearing to be beautiful, but we never see the beauty of a person which is not to be seen, which is in him or her. So I repeat the answer. We find the melodious notes of the cuckoo or the nightingale very pleasing to the ears. But that pleasure is still incomplete. We have models of perfect beauty in our imagination, and we wait anxiously to hear our beloved's voice and the chanting of prayers in holy places. We all look for perfection. Nobody sees beauty in good deeds, heroic actions, sweet voice, and in nature. So I hope, students, you have understood. Now your homework is you need to write this poem once in your English notebook, and there's only one question and answer to be written. So you can do that also in the English notebook, and you need to learn the poem by heart. So thank you and have a nice day.